Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious chicken chili. First, let's talk ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of chicken, either breast or thighs, cut into small pieces. Don't forget your aromatics: 1 large onion, 2 bell peppers, and 3 cloves of garlic, all chopped. For the base, grab 2 cans of diced tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, and 1 can of corn. These simple ingredients are the foundation for a fantastic meal. Now let's get cooking. Start by sautéing your chopped onion and bell peppers in a large pot with 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they're nice and soft. Next, add the minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Be careful not to let it burn. Then, brown your chicken pieces in the same pot, making sure they are fully cooked before moving on to the next step. Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, just like a great chili needs quality ingredients, your feet deserve quality socks. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with their amazing lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To really bring out the flavor, stir in your spices: chili powder, cumin, oregano, and a pinch of cayenne pepper for a little heat. Now, add the diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and corn to the pot. Bring everything to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those flavors to meld together beautifully. Serve your delicious chicken chili hot, topped with shredded cheese, a dollop of sour cream, or whatever you love.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.